Hi everyone, welcome to Amjee's English World. I'm Alice, your friendly English guide, and I'm so happy you're here.
And I'm Adam. Together, we'll help you learn English through stories, emotions, and real-life conversations.
Because English isn't just grammar or books, it's life. It's how we talk, laugh, dream, and connect with people everywhere.
In every episode, we'll explore everyday topics, like travel, friendship, food, jobs, and feelings, so you can speak English naturally and confidently.
You'll learn new words, real expressions, and fun idioms. And we'll practice them together, so you can sound fluent step by step.
So if you're an English learner who loves warm stories, easy lessons, and friendly vibes,
this is your world. Welcome to Amjee's English World. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell.
let's start learning, one story at a time.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Amjee's English World. I'm Alice, and today we're talking about something super exciting.
That's right. I'm Adam, and the topic is creating digital products, earning while you sleep. Sounds like magic, right?
Haha, magic, or smart work. Today we'll learn English phrases and vocabulary for talking about digital products, online business, and earning passive income in a fun story-style conversation.
Alice, do you remember the first time you heard the phrase, earn money while you sleep?
Oh yes, I thought it was a joke. I imagined myself literally sleeping and money flying into my bank account. Haha.
Ha ha. Yeah, I thought the same. But later I learned it means making money from something that keeps selling, even when you're not working.
Exactly. For example, selling digital products like ebooks, online courses, music, or design templates.
Or even cute printable planners, or art on websites like Etsy or Gumroad.
That's right. Once you create it, people can buy it again and again. That's called passive income. Income that keeps coming even when you're not working every day. Let's learn some useful words and phrases.
Okay, first one, digital product. Something you sell online that people can download or use digitally. Example, I sell digital art prints on Etsy.
Next, passive income. Money you earn regularly with little effort. Example, he earns passive income from his online course.
And another good one, to upload, to put something online. Example, she uploaded her ebook to Amazon.
Repeat after me, friends. Ready? I create digital products. I upload my work and share it with the world.
I can earn even while I sleep.
Good job. Keep practicing these lines. They sound simple, but they help you speak naturally about online work. Adam, do you remember your first digital product?
Oh yes, my first product was a digital planner. I stayed up all night designing it using free tools online.
That's amazing. Did people buy it?
At first, no one. Haha. But then, after 2 weeks, ding! My first sale. Someone from Canada bought it while I was asleep.
Wow, that must have felt so good.
It really did. I jumped out of bed shouting, "It worked!" That's when I realized small actions can grow big results.
Let's look at some new expressions Adam just used.
Yes, here's one. Stayed up all night. Means you didn't sleep because you were busy. Example, I stayed up all night studying for my exam.
And another, jumped out of bed, means you woke up suddenly, full of excitement or energy. Example, he jumped out of bed when he heard good news. Repeat after me. I stayed up all night finishing my project.
I jumped out of bed when I saw the message.
Excellent. Now you can talk about excitement and effort in real-life English.
Alice, sometimes people think they can't start because they don't know much about design or technology.
Yes, but you don't have to be perfect. You can start small. Maybe make one simple product, like a worksheet, poster, or mini guide.
And don't forget, consistency is key, just like in learning English. One small step every day makes a big difference.
Beautifully said. In fact, that's a great idiom to learn. Rome wasn't built in a day. It means great things take time.
Yes, you don't need to rush. Learn, create, and share, step by step.
Let's review today's keywords before we finish. Digital product, passive income, upload, something online, up arrow, stay up all night, jump out of bed. Rome wasn't built in a day.
Now it's your turn. Say them out loud. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Here's your English challenge for today. In the comments, write one sentence using digital product or passive income.
For example, I want to make a digital product about cooking. Or, I dream of earning passive income through my art.
We'll read your sentences and share some favorites in our next episode.
And remember, if your first product doesn't sell right away, don't cry. Pretends to wipe tears.
Haha, yes, just try again. Maybe add a cute cat picture next time. Everyone loves cats.
True, and keep learning English with us, because great communication helps every creator succeed.
Friends, thank you for watching Amjee's English World. Remember, you can learn, create, and grow, all at your own pace.
Start small, stay kind, and never stop learning. You've got this.
We'll see you next time with another story and more beautiful English. Bye-bye.